Welcome guys, this is OPTIMER FS. I want to show you a better way you can analyze your charts. You can do what? Analyze your charts without the use of any indicator. How you can analyze a naked chart only with trend lines. Only with what? Trend lines. Now, the method I want to use here will enable you to understand the market very well, to understand what is happening in the market. You know, retail traders don't determine the direction of the market. The institutional traders, the whales, they are the one that do what determine the direction of the market. Now, we as retail traders, what is expected of us to do is to do what? To follow the waves. To do what? To follow the waves, to follow the direction of the market. Where the market is going, we feed from the waves. Do you understand? That is only when you will see yourself making profits every now and then. Do you understand? Now I want to show you how to analyze the markets without the use of what? Any indicator, just your naked chart. What? The naked what? Chart. How you can use only indicator to do what? To analyze the market. Now let me start from here. Now, you know that in the market there are three stages of what? Market. There are three stages of what? Direction of the market or state of the market. Is either the market is trending, is either it is trending or it is what? Ranging. Now, if you want to break it down further, you say when the market is trending, is either it's trending upward or is trending downward. That is either it is bullish or it is what? Bearish. Do you understand? Now the third one is the market is what? Ranging, in the ranging state. That is the three major states of what? Of markets. Ranging, uptrend and downtrend. That is bullish or bearish. Now when you look at your naked charts, as a trader, you will be able to understand what is happening in the market. And what is happening in the market will determine your decision. Do you understand? What is happening in the market will determine your what? Decision. What I mean by decision is either to buy or to sell. Is the market, the direction of the market or the state of the market will determine your what? Your action. Do you understand? Now, when the market is in bullish, when it is trending upward, there are 2 points you need. There are two cardinal points you need to establish your trend line. When the market is bullish, there are 2 cardinal points you need to do what? To establish your trending line. Now, when market is bullish, what you require is two higher low, 2 points of what? Higher lows. Now, let me explain what I mean. Now, when you look at this chart on the screen, now you will see this is a point here and this is another point. Whenever you observe this, that is what? Trending market. That means the price is towards an uptrend. Now, when you want to use your trend line, you try possible to join these two lines. Join what? Join these 2 lines. These 2 cardinal points. These 2 cardinal points, you do what? You join the 2 with what? A trend line. Do you understand? Now let's join the 2 lines. Let's join the 2 lines. Now this is the first one. Here is what? the second line. Now you extend this trend line, you extend it. Extend it. Now that when you look at this now, this is the two line that form first. This is the two line that form first. Do you understand? So this two line is these 2 points. We use it to establish this this trend line. Now, once you now identify the direction of the market, that the market is an uptrend. Now the next thing is your entry points. Where do you need to make your entry? Where you need to make your entry is where the price retrace back to that trend line. Do you understand? Where the market retrace backward to the trend line, that is where you need to do start making your trade. Now in this case, you don't buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. No, you stick on one particular direction. In this particular case, all your entry will be buying entries. You don't make any mistake of selling. Unless you are professional, then you can do you can trade the retrace. But if you are not a professional enough, just focus on one direction, which is buying only. Now you use these two points to establish your trend line. Now any other close contacts of the charts with the trend line should be your focus for entry. You see, these are places you need to do you need to make your buy entries. Do you understand? So once you are patient enough for the price to retrace back to this trend line or very close to that trend line in such a way that your stop loss will be a little bit behind the trend line. Your stop loss should be a little bit behind the trend line. That is a good entry. Do you understand? And you are sure of profit. Now look at it. You look at it. See the 2 points. The 2 points you use to establish this trend line. You use this point and this point to establish this trend line, and you waited, and when the price came close to this particular point, you make your entry. Do you understand? So this is a huge profit. This is a huge profit. Now, whenever you see the market breaks your trend line, that is a sign of change in direction. If you look at it now, we have been on bullish trend, and if you watch here now, the market breaks this trend line. That is to tell you that it is in down trend. Do you understand? It is in downtrend. So to trade a downtrend with a trend line, this is the first point here. You wait when you see two lower highs. You use those 2 points to do establish your bearish trend. Look at this point and this look at this. Look at this point here. Look at these 2 points. Sorry, I'm coming. Look at these 2 points. This particular one and this particular one here. Let me come. Look at this and this. Do you understand? So you use these 2 points here to establish you use these points here and this point here to do what? Establish this your trend line. Now your entry should be when the price, the third touch. This is the first, here is the first, here is the second touch. Now the touch happens here, and here is you need to do what? Make here sell entry. That's where you need to do what? Make here sell entry. And if you extend it, look at it. If you extend it, all those points coming, if you extend it, all these points, are you seeing it? So once you make your entry here, which is the third touch, you will have a smooth what? Smooth sell. Do you understand? You have what? A smooth, see? You have what? A smooth sell. Do you understand? So when you observe here now, see this is a smooth sell. And when the price crosses this trend line, and it shows what? A reversal. Now when you look at this now, you see that at this particular point, this is we have look at the bullish, and we have looked at the bearish. Now I told you that there are three main stages, or three main states of what? Of the market: the uptrend, the downtrend, and the what? Range. Now the third one is what? Range. Look at it. You see, this is the first. The first is uptrend, the second is downtrend, and the third point here is what? In a range. Do you understand? So you use support and resistance on what? Doing ranging, you use support and resistance. Do you understand? You sell here, you buy here, you sell here. Do you understand? So this is the three stages of what? Market. You need to do what? Understand. With the help of trend line, you can do what? Analyze your market, analyze your chart, and trade profitably. Do you understand? So the same thing happens in other areas. Do you understand? So with the help of a trend line, you can analyze your chart and trade it profitably. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.